Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to export leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator search. And at the end, you will get a clean list of leads with all the information you need, like the first name, last name, company name, LinkedIn URL, and even the verified emails of your leads. So let's start. Alright, so as you can see, I've made a search where I want to target head of sales in small companies based in the US. So with these three filters, you see on the right that I have a bit more than 2,000 leads. And if we check the leads, I have people who are head of sales in the US, head of sales, head of sales, head of sales. So that's exactly what I want. So if you are like me and you want to export some leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, unfortunately, you can't do that natively with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need a third-party tool like Give Me Leads to be able to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you want to easily extract some leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can go on givemeleads.io, or you just need to click the first link in the description. Then once you are on this page, you click here on Start for free. Then you create your account, and if you want, you can sign up with Google. And finally, all you need to do is to install the Chrome extension. So you click on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once you've installed the Chrome extension, you will see this button from Give Me Leads, Extract Leads. And now when you want to export these people, all you need to do is to click on Extract Leads. Then you will be redirected to your Give Me Leads account. Here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So let's say for this tutorial, 200. Just below here, you can say that you want the emails of your leads. And finally, all you need to do is to click on Export Leads. And now we just need to wait a few seconds and I will get my export. So I just want to rename my export with the filters I've used on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So I target people who are head of sales in a company headcount between 50 to 200 people. And these people are based in the US. Perfect. And now, as I told you, we just need to wait a little bit. All right, so as you can see, my export is done. And now if I want to download my list of leads, all I need to do is to click here and then download CSV. So here is my list of leads. And if I scroll, we see that we have 200 leads, which is perfect. On top, you have all the information you need to reach out to these people. For example, you have the first name, last name. You have, of course, the LinkedIn URL. You have the email of your leads. And here, when it's verified, it means that it's completely safe for your email accounts to send a cold email. You have the job title, location, and actually you have much more information. For example, here you have the company name, company website. So always useful if you want to personalize your messages, company location, company industry, and so on. So when you export your leads with Give Me Leads, we do two things. First, we make sure that the data is clean. For example, for the first name, last name, and company name, you don't have any problems with capital letters or with rocket emojis at the end. For example, you don't have Adam with a rocket emoji at the end. So when you want to say in your cold email or your LinkedIn message, hi first name, you don't have any problems. To show you some examples of why it's important to clean the data, I want to share with you three profiles that I've found on LinkedIn. So we have this profile with an emoji plane. We have this one with a star, and this one, Harmony Borden, with a flower. So basically, if you scrape the data from LinkedIn and you don't clean the data, you might face some problems because some people just like to put emojis in their first name or last name, for example. But at least with Give Me Leads, we clean everything for you. Now, the second thing we do is to make sure that every single lead perfectly matches all your filters. And so for that, on the left, you see that we have two columns. So I have matches filters and invalid reason. So when it's true here, it means that the lead perfectly matches all your filters. But if I scroll, you will see that some people have false. So here you see false, and here you have the reason. So here for Joshua, it's wrong company size, and here we have wrong job title. So let's check Bruce and Farhan. So yeah, we have head of partnerships and sales manager. So basically, I told LinkedIn Sales Navigator that I want people who are head of sales, but here you see that I have head of partnerships and sales manager, which is actually not head of sales. So with this feature, you don't need to waste your time to check if your leads match your filters because we do it for you. And at the end, what you can do is to decide to keep some leads if they are still relevant, or just decide to remove them from your lead list. So in my case, I will remove all the people with false, like this. And now I know that I only reach out to people who are head of sales in the US in a company headcount between 51 to 200 people. And then once you have a list of leads like this one, of course, the next step is to upload it directly in your favorite outreach tool. For example, I'm using instantly.ai. And if you want to import this list of leads, all you need to do is to go here in campaigns. Then you click on add new, so my campaign. And then we click on add leads, upload from a CSV file. And now all I need to do is to click here and select the list of leads on my computer. So I've just uploaded my list of leads with people who are head of sales. And now what we need to do is to map the column headers that we have in our list of leads with the instantly variables. So make sure that you have at least first name with first name and email with email. And then you can upload your list of leads. Okay. So if I go here on leads, you see that we have the list of all the people that we've exported from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Give Me Leads. And finally, the next step is to create a sequence and do what you want, but at least you have a clean list of leads. So this is exactly the process you can use to export leads from a LinkedIn Sales Navigator search with Give Me Leads, and at the end you get a file like this one with all the information you need to reach out to these people. So if you want to try Give Me Leads, you have a link in the description. And now if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye.